Hello everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis. Uh, this is an anomaly scan, and uh, for some detailed evaluation of the spine, coronal reconstruction of the fetal spine has been done on 3D, and this is the image. You see that the ribs appear echopoor, whereas the vertebrae are echogenic. So, why is it so? This case scenario is to illustrate a basic principle of 3D reconstruction. If you would like to see the workup and explanation of the reason for echopoor ribs, please log on to sonoshare.in and go to image to diagnosis basic principles 6 in the series. Thank you for patiently listening.